guys, welcome back to Cooking for Kids.
Today we're going to make two different smoothies.
The ingredients you'll need today are strawberries,
Bananas,
raspberries
apple,
and milk.
For our first smoothie, we're going to use 15 raspberries, 1 banana and 1 apple. So you need to chop up your apple and banana into thin slices. You may need an adult to supervise you doing this. Pour in your 15 raspberries and your chopped apple and banana with 100 millilitres of milk. Chop up 15 strawberries and 2 bananas. Add in your chopped ingredients with 100 millilitres of milk.
Thank you guys for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed. The recipe for the two different smoothies will be below the video.
And make sure to give a click on the subscribe button and smash the like button. Cheers.
See you next time.